So final video, Tom and Robin, how's your time been in Thailand?
It's amazing, it is a really beautiful place. Yeah, love it.
Okay, have you had a good time?
Yeah, it's been fantastic.
If you could advise anybody on particular things to bring with them next time?
Mosquito spray?
Mosquito spray.
Definitely.
That's only today though, really, isn't
Yeah,
it?
true. Yeah, umbrella if you are coming in November.
Yeah. But it's been good. And then what's
Yeah.
the rest of today got in store?
I'm going over to the waterfall and yeah, that's about it. Go swimming in the waterfall, up in the mountains and that, it should be beautiful. So yeah, good times.
Cool.